Welcome to Maroon Talk, a segment dedicated for anything and everything you fight. I am Kim Moran, batch 2010 from Nicholas Baños.
Enzo Regondola, batch 2010, UP Diliman. Hello, hello.
Hello, kamusta kayo dyan sa Pilipinas?
Konnichiwa.
Shout out po from the rough streets of Osaka
Yan.
in
Ah,
this
nakakaingit ka
cold,
naman.
cold. Sana dito lang ako. Yung ako umuwi. Ay, naku. Anyway, bago yan, matalo tayo. Matalo tayo sa finals game 1 against Lasal. 74-70. So, lamang sila ngayon ng one game
Oo, ito
sa
yung
best of three finals natin.
sa five finals appearances ng UP in the past 5 seasons. Ito yung first time na natalo tayo ng game 1 sa finals. So,
Oo.
medyo ano to, uncharted territory para sa atin na down tayo 1-0.
Sa simula, sa opening game no, ng finals, ngayon mo lang mangyari to. So, medyo unfamiliar territory. Then again, as we all know, as we have learned, it's not how you start, it's how you finish
Yan.
the season, lalo na yung finals, no? Uh, Actually, we're gonna keep this episode short kasi wala naman tayo masyadong pag-uusapan dapat. And it's just game 1. Pero,
Oh,
hindi naman natin mapapag, na ito sa hard Alarcon show. That's the best way to put it tonight. Kaya lang, yun nga. Si Harold ang palalaban para sa
oh,
atin.
parang okay nga yun eh, Harold Alarcon show. Pero ang nangyari, one man show. Walang ano,
Oh,
walang tulong eh, 'di ba? Maliban kay Francis na naka 13
yep.
points. That's it. That's about it
Wala
for
na.
everyone else, 'di ba?
Kumbaga, tayong mga nanonood, namangha kay Harold sa pinagagawa niya. Which is talaga naman talagang medyo spectacular talaga. Kasi he couldn't, well, he missed some shots. Pero the shots he was making were quite difficult. And doing that on a consistent basis this game was something to be really proud of.
Mm.
However, speaking about namangha, mukhang kahit yung teammates niya namangha din sa kanya. So, kung tayo ng mga nanonood, pinapanood si Harold, pati yung teammates niya, pinanood lang din siya tonight. Maliban kay Francis nga. And some others. Pero, yun yung, yun yung naging tema eh. Yun yung naging tema ng game. And I think, na in one interview, si Coach Gold also said na hindi rin pwedeng puro si Harold.
Hindi
Kasi hindi
talaga.
naman talaga dapat, hindi naman ngayon ko lang nakita yung team natin na na nag-rely sa isang tao na ang tawag doon? Yung sadya, anong term doon? Yung, basta
Intentional.
yun, yung parang gano'n. No, intentionally, we gave the ball to Harold and let him do the work. Okay, yeah, we can say na he was hitting his shots, he was very consistent, he was very hot today. However, yun nga, it's the first time I've seen na yung offense natin, well, we've seen it na masama. We've seen it na hindi gumagana minsan. However, it usually does not revolve in one person alone in general on the usual outing. Kaya nagulat din ako kanina na puro siya lang. Na nung time na nung iba na mag-step up na makashoot, more often than not, especially down the stretch in clutch time, wala tayong nakuha.
Oh,
Ano ko sa ano ba?
walang ano eh. Kung titignan mo yung stats, sobrang konti na assist natin. Ilan ba? 8 assists. Meron tayo 8
Total game.
assists for the game na usually nakaka 7 o 8 tayo by halftime eh. yun yung parang average na good game natin eh. Nasa mga 7-8 assists by the half. Ngayon, naka 8 lang tayo for the game. Kasi nga, puro ISO, puro hero ball, puro Harold Alarcon. Kung hindi si Harold, mag-ISO siguro si Ray Remogat, mag-ISO si Jerry, mag-ISO si Terence. Puro ISO. Wala tayong, kaya rin siguro walang nakagawa na iba. Kasi wala, puro one-on-one eh. So nung time na nila, hindi sila nakakuha ng, kumbaga ng shots earlier. Wala sila sa rhythm. Hindi sila makashoot.
Kanya-kanya na.
Kanya-kanya.
Yung ano, halftime, tinek ko nga actually kung ilan ang assist natin yung halftime. We had 4 assists only no halftime. We had 25 bench points, but the only, siyempre, here of Harold Alecron, who scored 20 points in the first. So, yun nga, yung mataas yung bench points natin. However, yun nga, it was okay. It was okay heading into, ano ba yun, the final 3 minutes of the game. Pero pagdating dun, hindi ko na alam mga pinagagawa nila. Sobrang lost natin down the stretch. Okay, sorry. We should start off with ano pala. Um, we got beat. We got beat tonight by Lasal. We'll credit uh, that effort by Lasal, especially yan, sila Pablo, of course, Jacob Cortez, you've seen him.
Hmm.
Yes, there were bad calls on our end, pero surprisingly meron ding bad calls on Lasal's end. So that was that. So para sa akin, kahit papaano, hindi naman even. Mas marami pa rin bad calls sa ano sa UP side. However, yun nga, despite that, taking that out of consideration, we still got beat in the end game. And we don't have anyone else to blame aside from us. Sobrang sama nung execution natin down the stretch na when it all mattered most, sobrang wala tayo nun.
Yun nga eh.
Pareho ba tayo
Para,
ng ano?
parang, parang may ganyan bang swerte yung Lasal ngayon? Kasi nung against NU, nung second game nila last Saturday, ganun din yung nangyari sa NU eh. Kaya sila natalo. Di ba? Yung last 2 minutes nung game na yun, parang sablay-sablay din yung laro nila eh. Ang dami lang turnovers na parang nung pinapanood ko, naisip ko, kung ganyan yung NU, parang hindi talaga nila deserve mag-finals. Hindi ganyan maglaro ang magcha-champion. So, nagulat ako na bakit ganito yung laro ng UP nitong endgame. Na parang ganito rin yung nangyari sa NU nung Sabado. So parang, ano ba to? Effect ba to ng Lasal defense? Parang hindi naman kasi medyo ano lang eh, carelessness lang on the
Mm-hmm.
part of the players eh.
Yep.
Bad
Yep.
pass, 'di ba? Mga ganun lang eh. So, 'yun,
Tsaka
turnovers.
lamang tayo eh, di ba?
Oh,
Lamang tayo eh. Second quarter, well, most of the game lamang tayo. Tapos pagdating, so kumbaga, we just had to close it out. It's easier said than done, pero we had the game in our hands. Kumbaga, ano. Pero we didn't take it in to sum it up, Lasal wanted it more today. And the one who wanted it today for UP was Harold Alarcon. And the others were there. We've been hard on Gani the whole season. Pero, I don't know, if this isn't the time to make Gani Stevens realize that he has to be on another level for us to get that championship. Yeah.
Nasa ano si Fim eh. Nasa streets. Sa streets.
The streets of Pujo. Ayan. So, yung angas wala eh. Alam mo yun? Yung angas wala. Yung gigil. Siguro may gigil. Kaya lang hindi natin gamit yun into good fashion. Kasi wala eh. Hindi collective effort yung atake natin kanina. Pati yung depensa, if we may. Kasi if you check out the offensive rebounds, ano ang sinasabi niyan? Total rebounds, uh, total rebounds pantay tayo. 40 for Lasal, 39 for UP. Pero 13 offensive rebounds for Lasal, 10 for UP. Ang hirap dito, yung offensive rebounds sila, dumating dun sa oras na
Yan.
kailangan natin magawa yung rebounds na
Yan.
yun. Ay, so, di ba? Doon ako nag-ano. So, sabihin yung the stats won't reflect the how we played on the court. Or I guess hindi ko pwede sabihin yung this game kasi talagang evident na we got the Sal got the crucial rebounds when it mattered most. And for us, we just really didn't take it. Again, rebounding is all about heart. So I guess that says it all when it comes to our rebounding in itself. Whether it be our bigs who missed the opportunities to get rebounds or kung sino man, but still in the end, it's not our side who wanted it more today.
Kasi, tignan mo rin eh, di ba? Tignan mo, meron tayo 16 turnovers for the game. Medyo average. Di ba? Kung ang target natin
Hmm,
15,
hmm,
sakto lang eh, 16. Tapos,
pwede na.
pwede na. Free throw natin, 10 of 16. Okay lang din. Three-pointers, 4 of 17. Parang ganyan naman talaga palagi yung percentage natin. Field goal percent, 44%. Okay din. Ang problema talaga yung assists eh. Nakuha natin yung points natin
Talagang
by isolating, by making one player do all the work to get the points. Hindi natin in-involve yung team. So wala tayong assists. Diba? Isipin mo nanalo pa yung Lasal kahit na ang free throw nila 11 of 25. Sobrang pangit nun.
Oo,
Tapos
di ba?
nanalo
So,
pa rin,
masama, di ba?
nanalo pa rin sila.
Nanalo pa rin sila. So, talaga sa atin na to. Sa atin, tayo talaga may kasalanan to. Kasi we just needed to close it out. So, kumbaga, we played what? 35 minutes only in a 40-minute game. So, it all reflects how we were so concentrated to one person help hoping that he would deliver for us. Ang dami ko sinulat na notes eh. Pero tingin ko hindi rin nag-matter to ngayon. Kasi talo naman. But, kasi, so again, talking about field goal percentage, sabi ni Enzo, 44 tayo natapos at the end of the game. Harold finished with 55%. So, titira mo, dikit yun eh. So, paano pwede natin sabihin na yung field goal percentage ng team, yun ang, yun yung, si Harold yun. Kumbaga, Francis finished with 75%. I mean, yeah, he was he was big for us tonight. He's scoring. He was being consistent. He was getting rebounds, six, but he
Kasi
was our
rebounds.
lifeline. He was our lifeline at least offensively when Harold was not working. Yes, so game shifts sila Rayland, sila Jerry. Terence had some threes.
Wala ka ba?
Regarding siya, ayan, so, as I was saying, uh, ano nga ba sabi ko? Wala, we can't let one person do the work. It has to be a collective effort. We have to want it. Essentially, that's how we're gonna get the championship. Yung X's and O's, yung mga nitty-gritty, wala namang gumato dyan kung ayaw ng team eh. Mostly, no, I think, alam din naman nila yun. Alam, it's not rocket science how we lost today. It's not, ayun, sabi ko si Ray Ramogat, nung second quarter, heading to halftime, if I'm not mistaken, ang dami nating attempt to make a highlight play. Hindi lang si Ray yun eh. Marami ako nakita instance na ba't pinapahirapan yung basketball? Hindi naman, oh, you have the lead. Okay, we have good momentum.
Hmm.
Harold's making his shots. So bakit nyo kailangan mahirapan yung mga sarili nyo at magpapogi ng gano'n? Kaya ang kailangan lang naman natin is maintain your lead and do follow the game plan, which was actually working most of the game. It all fell apart down the stretch. Pero, di ba, for, for essentially, yun nga, we just have to do our jobs. And we could have escaped with the win today.
Oo nga eh. Parang the whole game naman, 'di ba? Hindi tayo nakakuha ng assists. Wala eh. Puro ISO tayo the whole game, practically. Pero despite that, lamang tayo. For,
Oo.
'di ba, for 37 minutes, lamang tayo. So parang, dun lang eh, yun lang eh, yung late game execution lang talaga yung tumalo sa atin. Kasi the whole game, lamang tayo, I mean, biggest lead natin 9 points, pero most of the game parang nasa mga 4, 5 points yung lamang natin. Lamang tayo eh.
Hey, kumbaga, don't get us wrong, no? We're not saying na yung performance sa Harold was not enough to get us a win. I mean, kita naman eh, na, again, paulit-ulit kami, lamang tayo the whole game. Pretty much. However, tingin ba kung game 2, let's say manalo tayo kanina, kung game 2 ba, tingin nyo, papayagan ng Lasal na gawin lang ni Harold ulit yun, yung ganong klaseng performance natin sa kanila.